Hi there, I am Christian. Today's topic will be polygons. So far, in our series of geometry, we've learned about points, lines, planes, and angles. In this lesson, we're going to learn about another important element of geometry. We're going to learn about polygons. You probably already know a lot about polygons because you see them all the time. Here's some common examples that you might recognize. These shapes are all polygons. That's because a polygon just means a multi-sided shape, and these shapes all have multiple sides. Okay, so that's the basic definition of a polygon. But to really understand what is a polygon and what is not a polygon, we need to learn about the specific properties that all polygons have in common. First, we need to know all the three parts that make up all polygons. And these parts are sides, vertices, and angles. The sides are just the straight line segments that make up a polygon, and the vertices are points where the sides intersect, and the angle is are formed by a intersecting lines. In fact, in Greek, the word polygon literally means many angles. So all polygons have sides, vertices, and angles. This polygon here has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and it forms 5 angles. The next thing we need to know about polygons is that they're closed shapes. Now, what does it mean for a shape to be closed, you ask? Well, it means that the sides are connected so that there are no gaps. The area inside the shape is separated from the area outside the shape, and there's no way to get from the inside to outside without crossing a line. It might help you to think like closed shape is a canang cage. If you put an ant inside the cage, there's no way to get out without crossing a line. But if the shape is open, then there's a way out. So these all are examples of closed shapes. And these are all examples of open shapes. And the important thing to remember is that a polygon must be closed or flat shapes. And the last thing we need to know about polygons is that they are two-dimension or flat shapes. And that means that all vertices must lie on the same plane. If any one of the vertices were to move forwards or backwards so that it wasn't in the same plane as all the other vertices, then it wouldn't be a flat shape anymore. Flat shapes are also called planar shapes because all of their points are on the same plane. And even though polygons themselves can't be 3D shapes, you can use polygons to make 3D shapes. Like a box, for example. The box is not a polygon, but each of its flat sides is a polygon. The last thing I want to mention is that some polygons have special names depending on how many sides they have. Here's a list of the most important ones to know. Three-sided polygons are called triangles. Triangles are so important in geometry. Four-sided polygons are called quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are shapes like squares, rectangles, and parallelograms. Next is the five-sided polygons are called pentagons. And the six-sided polygons are called hexagons. And the eight-sided polygons are called octagons. By the way, polygons that have 5, 6, 8, or how many sides like these are called regular polygons if all of their angles are equal, and irregular polygons if their angles are not equal. As long as you know what polygons are and how to identify them, then you are ready to move on. And now that you know that, it's time to play polygon or not polygon. So the activity that I will be giving you is you have to identify whether it is a polygon or not a polygon. So I'm going to show you a shape and you tell me if it is a shape and you tell me if it is not a polygon. It is a polygon or not. Yes, a square has four sides and four vertices and it is a closed 2D shape. So it is a polygon. So next, now, circle is not a polygon. Well, it is a closed 2D shape, but how many sides does it have? Now, that's a problem. A circle doesn't have any straight sides, vertices, or angles. It is a curved shape, so it's not a polygon. Yep, it is a polygon. Even though the sides are not all the same length, it is close to the multi-sided shape. In fact, if you count, you'll see it has a seven sides. Yep, it has straight sides and vertices, and it is a closed 2D shape. So that means it is a polygon. Here's an interesting one. It's a closed 2D shape that does have a straight sides and vertices, but it also has this curved part here. So can it still be a polygon with that curve? So of course it is not. The curved part disqualifies it as a polygon. A polygon has to have only straight sides so that so that this is not a polygon. Now, you are right. This is not a polygon because it is a 3D shape. It's made up from polygons, but the whole shape is not a polygon itself. Now, this one is not a polygon. Those lines cross, and if any lines cross, it can't be a polygon. Plus, he has a big open end here, so this guy is definitely not a polygon. Now, this last one is not a polygon because it is a not a closed shape. It is an open shape.